Hey guys, I want to do an update right now on the Honda 5.5 horse horizontal shaft motor. Got it for free, and my dad needed a motor for his wood splitter, so I sold it to him. It was mint when I got it, and he freaking pretty much ruined it. I got it for free, so I just figured I'd do a cold start. Just had to fix the friggin' recoil because it got sucked down inside of it. The rope. Alright, so let's put on some choke here. Turn the gas on. There's some throttle. Should start right up. Runs really good. Really cold start. Hasn't been ran since before winter when I did wood. Runs good. Runs really good. I got it for free. Can't beat free, I guess. Alright, so I'll do an update on some other stuff. New tires I got for my truck. Got them on side road for free. Not much is going on in the Craftsman here. Haven't really had time. Been busy with school. School's getting over on Monday. Today's Thursday. Got finals tomorrow, got finals on Monday, then I'll be all done. So stuff should start rolling here. Go-kart. Nothing much has happened. Just getting it pulled out. Get the new rear end put on it. I'm getting a Murray tractor. Kind of like Fearless Fronts, except it's red. Hydrostatic. Kind of sucks, but 12.5 horse, but the whole back end of the motor's blown right out of it. Not really sure what happened, but buying it for 20 bucks off one of my friends. So I'm thinking about either taking the motor off the old Craftsman, the 15 horse Briggs, putting it on the Murray, putting the rear end in the Murray too, just because I like the chassis better, or getting a new motor for the Murray. Or I'll just take the tires and stuff off the Murray and put them on here, because I needed one new rear tire because this one's flatter than hell. Yeah. That's the motor that was on the wood splitter, but it's junk and didn't power the wood splitter good enough. I'll take you outside here and I'll show you the truck. 97 Nissan hardbody. Honda push mower I got for free. I think there's something wrong with it, but I don't know. That'll be a different day. Oh, here's the 97 Nissan hardbody. Not much has changed. I'm getting paid tomorrow or Saturday, and bed's going on this baby, and alternator battery, so she'll be almost 100% once I get paid. It'll be a pretty good check because I haven't gotten paid in a couple weeks, but goddamn grass needs to be mowed. Pretty good scrap pile going here. Alright guys, that's enough for today. Have a good one.